Good day everyone, I'm Nicolette Mateo from ABM 11 YA-6 and today we will talk about fractions, decimals, and percentages. Fractions, decimals, and percentages. Introduction. Fractions, decimals, and percentages are being used in our daily lives. We deal with fractions when we cannot count in numbers, so we need to express in quantities like parts, slices, sections, chunks, and pieces. There are also situations where more accuracy is needed than whole numbers like managing cash, weight, length, temperature, and so on. In these situations, we will apply decimal numbers. We use percentage in stating the size, scale, and cost. For instance, markdown in shops, bank financing costs, rates of price increases, and numerous measurements are stated in rates. The first one is converting fraction to decimal and percent form. Here's our first example, 1/2. Let's divide 2 and 1. It cannot divide. Therefore, let's add a 0 and put decimal point. 2 divided by 10 is equal 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So that the decimal form of 1/2 is 0.5. In percent, we just need to multiply it to 100. So, 0.5 times 100 is equal to 50%. Second example, 7 and 1/4. Our first step is to separate our whole number to the fraction because it is a mixed number. 4 divided by 1 is cannot be, so let's put 0 and the decimal point. 4 divided by 10 is 2. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Add another 0. 4 divided by 20 is 5. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. To get the final decimal form, 0.25 will be added by the whole number, which is the 7. Our final decimal form is 7.25. Again, to get the percent form, we just need to multiply it by 100. So 0.25 times 100 is equal to 725%. The second one is converting decimal to fraction and percent form. For the first example, 0.35 is equal to 35 over 100. Discount the decimal places. We add 2 zeros because of 2 digits of 35. Now, reduce into lowest term. So, it is divisible by 5. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7 and 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. So that the fraction form is 7 over 20. Now, to get the percent form, 0.35 times 100 is equal to 35%. Second example, 0.7. The fraction form of 0.7 is 7 over 10 since we don't have to simplify it. Then, to get the percent form, we need to multiply it by 100. 0.7 times 100 is equal to 70%. Lastly, converting percent to fraction and decimal form. For our first example, we have 25%. We just need to divide it to 100 to get the fraction. So the fraction of 25% is 25 over 100. Let's simplify it. Both numerator and denominator are divisible by 25. So we have 1/4. To get the decimal form, we just need to move the decimal place twice into the left. So the decimal form is 0.25. For the last example, we have 75%. We just need to divide it by 100 to get 75 over 100. Both numerator and denominator are divisible by 25, so let's simplify it to get 3 over 4. So that the fraction form of 75% is 3/4. Just move the decimal place twice on the left, so that 0.75 is the decimal form of 75%. Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. Thank you for watching!